Hey, what's up guys, it's Adrian here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your splash screen inside of 3ds Max. It may work for other 3D packages, but I'm gonna demonstrate it only for 3ds Max in here. Be sure that you change the properties for the shortcut of 3ds Max, not the actual file. For example, in here I have a shortcut of 3ds Max. I'm gonna right click it and go to properties and go to the target and add this script right here, a slash language enu splash with capital S dot png or jpeg or whatever the format of your file is. For example, this one I just add a splash and at the end I add dot jpeg. That means my file is dot jpeg. So I go to the go to the properties and change my target and go to the open file location, and in here I'm gonna copy paste my picture. I'm go to the my one of my pictures in here. I select this one, I copy paste it right in here. So this is my file. As you can see here, type item type JPEG. I'm right click it and go to the properties and make sure everything is correct. So I have a splash with capital S and the format is JPEG, so it's correct. Okay, I'm gonna close it and open the 3ds Max, and let's see if we can manage and change the splash screen. Wow, look at this. It's very cool to customize it. I can close it and change it again. For example, I close this one right here. Again, go to the properties, and this time I change it to JPEG, to PNG. PNG. Okay, okay, and go to my properties, open file location, and let's go to the splash. And in here I have a PNG file. Again, go to the properties, make sure you have the correct name convention, splash.png, correct, and open the 3ds Max again. There you go guys. As you can see, I changed my splash screen once again, and you can resize it, change the image size, and do whatever you want to do with the picture, and just drag and drop it. Make sure it has the same name, splash.jpg or png, and you ready to go. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to thumbs up and see you guys on the next video. Take care.